Now, with this question, I assume you are the employee and you've accepted a job offer, but actually you've decided that you don't want to accept it. Well, in that case, then you can give notice to the future employer that you don't want to start work. Ideally, you should give them a bit of notice so that they know exactly what's happening, but there really isn't any legal requirement on you to give notice to an employer until you've actually started work for them. Obviously, if you haven't received the employment contract and it doesn't set out any notice period in there, then you're fine. But if you have received the contract and you've signed and accepted it and it contains a notice period, then it may be worth looking at that and ensuring that you comply with the minimum requirement there. But even if you don't, it'd be very difficult, in my view, for an employer to claim any loss as a result of your breach of contract in a situation where you haven't even started work yet. Now, on the flip side, if you're an employer and you've made an offer to somebody and you've changed your mind, this will very much depend on the terms of that offer as to what notice you need to give. But it may be that if you've issued the contract, you still need to give notice under the terms of the contract to avoid a contract claim yourself. So either way, you need to check what any notice period that you've agreed with your employer or employee is, and then make sure you give notice beforehand. But even if you can't give notice that you don't want to start the new job, then the risk is fairly low in terms of a claim.